Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix disconnected error on Stumble Guys. First, try reconnect by close Stumble Guys game, then relaunch one more time. If still not working, then you should check the server status of Stumble Guys to make sure the error is not out of your control. To do that, visit the official Stumble Guys Twitter page and see if there are any announcements about server issues or upgrade maintenance. Also, visit the Down Detector page and see if other players have the same error as you. If the investigation shows that the problem is coming from the Stumble Guys server, then the only thing you can do is wait until the problem is fixed. In the opposite case, check your internet connection. To do that, on mobile try turn on airplane. After 30 seconds, tap the same plane icon to toggle airplane mode off. After that, relaunch Stumble Guys and check if the disconnected issue is resolved. On PC, press Windows R keys, then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Now, right-click on your internet connection, then pick Disable. Wait from 1 to 3 seconds, re-enable. Next, right-click on your internet connection again, then pick Diagnose. Once done, relaunch Stumble Guys and check if the disconnected issue is resolved. If not working, go to Settings. Select System. Scroll down, then select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click Run on Internet Connections. Once done, relaunch Stumble Guys and check if the disconnected issue is resolved. Method 3. Clear Stumble Guys cache. On PC and iOS device, you just need restart them. On Android device, open Settings. Tap Apps. Scroll down and you will see Stumble Guys. Tap on it. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. After that, restart your device and relaunch Stumble Guys and check if the disconnected issue is resolved. Method 4. Stay up to date. Always make sure that your game, your system and your drivers are always up to date. Because of an old version of the game, an outdated system or driver can cause many problems. The following instructions will help you check and update your drivers. First, close Stumble Guys app. After that, on Android device, open the Google Play Store app. At the top right, tap the profile icon. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Apps with an update available are labeled Update Available. Tap Update. Next, open Settings. Tap Software Update to check if there is an OS update available for your device. If there is, update your device. On iOS device, open the App Store. Tap your profile icon at the top of the screen. Scroll to see pending updates and release notes. Tap Update next to an app to update only that app, or tap Update All. Next, open Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update to check if there is an iOS update available for your iPhone, iPad. If there is, update your device. On PC, open Settings. Click on System. Click on Windows Update. Click Check for Updates to check if there is an OS update available. If there is, update your PC. Once done, relaunching Stumble Guys and check if the disconnected issue is resolved. Method 5. Turn off or uninstall third-party antivirus software. Antivirus software usually blocks third-party applications or games from running on your system. On the other hand, when you try to update your games or application, the antivirus may cause conflict. Antivirus software or firewall blocks the access of the application, so it is better to disable it. So, it is recommended to turn off your antivirus software to prevent any errors or bugs. Method 6. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam Library. Right-click on Stumble Guys, then pick Properties. Click Local Files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Once done, relaunching Stumble Guys and check if the disconnected issue is resolved. Method 7. Power cycle router. Go to where your router is located. Then unplug the router's power cable. Next, wait for 1 to 3 minutes. Now, plug the power cable back in and start up your router. Once the router has finished booting, launch Stumble Guys and check if the disconnected issue is resolved. Method 8. Reset network settings. For iOS device, open the settings of your iPhone or iPad. Next, tap General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now, tap on Reset Network Settings. It will ask for your iPhone's passcode. Enter it. After you enter your passcode, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for your confirmation. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm and your phone will restart. On Samsung Galaxy phone, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings. It will ask for your phone's passcode. Enter it and follow the instructions. On PC, press Windows key then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as Administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, release and press Enter. Type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Type netsh intip reset and press Enter. Final, restart your PC and check if the disconnected issue is resolved. Method 9. Try with Google DNS. Press Windows key R then type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Double left-click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option and set the Google DNS for it. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click OK. Once done, launch Stumble Guys and enjoy it. If still not working, then the last thing I can recommend is to uninstall and reinstall Stumble Guys. That's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this if it helps you. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or have any other methods.